Ain't no love that I'm getting, so what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm giving. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me is the reason to leave your body stinking. Ain't no love that I'm getting, so what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm giving. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me is the reason to leave your body stinking. Get 'em. Nigga pistol from the veil, you already know I'm coming around. Sound with the issue sign got me feeling so ill. All up in my mind trying to pass a deal for all these motherfuckers with the hating. You people come around, son, man. I keep waiting for the love to give back to the boy pistol in the game, son. It's like it's too much now. It's in the hood, son. When I put something down, you niggas get it. These motherfuckers over new, son. I'm out to quit it. And then I can't, I'm really hesitating to stop showing love to these pussy niggas, cause it's how I be, that's from my heart. Come on, dog, now, even though this world ain't so equal, this world is just so evil, motherfuckers can't have to play with me. Come on, dog, this what it is, son, but now when I get so evil, young, you ever see that green, yeah, like the devil, you're in the same in the king, man. They come around the level, dog, they're staining. You see this with the blood thing, what they thinking? Ain't no love that I'm getting, so what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm giving. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me is the reason to leave your body stinking. Ain't no love that I'm getting, so what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm giving. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me is the reason to leave your body stinking. Coming in the ground is with the motherfucking killer clown. The reason why Lil Pistol, the East Coast kid, they stay with that frown. They live the nightmare, cause that's where they come and get me here. Come on, dog, this would they be like young good niggas sitting in the chair. Why are you little dirty niggas clowning around me? You already know using me. The thing is an excuse really, but it ain't. Motherfuckers don't use manners and don't appreciate shit. But they think I'm supposed to wear bandanas and bang like this. They come against Crips. Come on, dog, I ain't down with that bullshit. Come on, dog, I was when I was like a little kid. And same red outfit and wearing that red and black. Now I wear all types of colors, son. I just wanna give a fuck with what I match. Come on, dog, this with the B, son, and stay with the shots. Cause you already know what I need, son. And I ain't got no beef now with that. Come on, son, but they just want it so we can defeat in the street, son. And nobody knows, fuck the girls, young, I don't want their phone numbers. Come on, dog, just put they right under, right in the ground, young, down, right with their mothers. Come on, right in the hood, son, I make them wonder. These niggas overseas, yeah, this what they want from me, young, with their money. You overseas, here he coming with them buddies, little niggas coming from dog blood raining. See this nigga pistol in the game, son, I'm in the tub, yeah, still drinking. Come on, dog, that in the blood draining, yeah, I'm catching that. Niggas in the hood, son, ain't no love in the game, so I ain't gonna snatch it back. Ain't no love that I'm getting, so what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm getting. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me is the reason to leave your body stinging. Ain't no love that I'm getting, so what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm giving. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me is the reason to leave your body stinking. The world's all about money, control, and power. Come around, son, so when I got the gun, I'ma pour it out slow, son. They set them on fire. Pussy niggas, they come around, they talking now, yeah, little liars. Little niggas, they come around the game, so I'ma set fire up. You already know in the game, son, yeah, I stay up in the middle of the night while y'all pussy niggas still sleep, yeah, dreaming. Come around the game, son, in my kingdom, man. When they tryna come bring them new baddies, boy, then they stinking. Yeah, nigga, I love it like I'm in the cemetery where they found me at. Come around, see me looking brave, nah, never that. I'm on son, cause I'm gonna fuck about nothing, nigga. I'ma do my thing, fuck this rap thing. I'm on dog, this music thing, this is what I got. Tatted on my veins. I'm on dog, this what the beat like, boy. We up and know ain't no love in the game. The love is dead, we're underground, but this little nigga right here, they got stabbed in the rib. That nigga still standing tall. I was trying to make a motherfucker smile. Come over in the game, see a homeless person, yeah, young. Then I throw him a towel, give him some food and all that, son. Damn, wow. People think a little nigga just so foul with it, cause I'm a nigga with attitude. Y'all niggas don't get it, do you? Come on, dog, in the hood, son. And like I gotta show you the truth and show you, John, this don't pass you the fucking clue, cause you ain't gonna get that. Little clown ass niggas in the hood, son, sitting in the darkness, John, and do my thing, son, and spit these tracks. Yo, know in the hood, son, that niggas always really hating me. Come on, dog, got a bunch of opinions. Come on, son, is with the game, y'all, and still the spitting. You ever see is with the being. I come around the block, son, and spinning backwards, coming in the hood, son, and I'll spit out fire, and then y'all don't get it. Come around the hood, son, I do this. People want me to copy off of them, but I'm a grown man, so I'm about to pop some, nigga, and show you the man. You already knew the business. I gotta get up in this. So much shit that I go through, nigga. You know this how I bit this. Like an eviction. They see me on the wishing list. They step my game up, but they ain't gonna leave me young, leave me stuck. You know, love that I'm getting. So what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm giving. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me is the reason lately everybody's thinking. Ain't no love that I'm getting, so what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm giving. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me is the reason everybody's thinking. Ain't no love for me. Come on, dog, that's why I keep giving it up. Come on, dog, in the hood, sound like I'm just being bullied, like ain't even choice, son. Like I'm feeling so stuck in the little nigga in my mind. Ain't got no luck in the hood, son. You already know the game, son, so I'm getting at everybody around. Yeah, nothing but cheddar. Come on, dog, yeah, all my money, young, like I found some treasure. Come on, dog, and niggas when they got something, they leave a nigga stuck, leave a nigga hungry. Come on, dog, no place to go, son. Leave me homeless, son, with no money. Come on, dog, that shit is not funny. What you think it is? See me walking with a limp, yeah, you think I'm a little bitch. Come on, dog, like I'm handicapped, like a retardation. Niggas come around, got the candy rap, yeah, nigga, spark your whiz. Come on, dog, you know this how I be. You talking like kids, but I'm not. I'm a real nigga in the spat, on the red, I still rap that color. And get it fucked up in your brain for what? Come on, dog, the hood sound for these motherfuckers. Come around, trying to talk like my mother. Come on, dog, but I don't love her. I'm gonna go on the hood so much think you gonna get away from me, son. I'm gonna put you under covers. Little niggas is trying to split the heat now, son. Now you wanna love the blood now, don't you? Suck ass niggas come around again, son. Do my own thing. I'm my own king, got no queen. Yeah, I said that music is the only thing that I love. They come around saying that I'm gonna come on top of that. You mean above, yeah, nigga. Trying to stop the game, stop the rap, son. What's up? Come on, dog, what you wanna do, nigga? Shove the boy, yeah, I got twos that I will use to bust your brains when you get out of schools. Come on, dog, blood rain with the hollow things. And you see with the beat like holler back with the sharp things. Come on, dog, I got in my mouth. Yeah, really place it from the demon. Call me evil skeleton, nigga. Cause you already know I got him screaming. Cause it's with the beat like on the skeleton. See, I'm more lightweight. But look at my weight when I fuck something up, son. I ain't gonna wait. You know I'm drinking ain't nothing. Got niggas in a new state. They tryna go away, tryna show the niggas I'm back in the game. Show you escape. Go ahead, nigga. You ain't nothing. You skate no ice. Motherfucker, yeah, you falling quick and come around, nigga. Shit is night. Ain't no love that I'm getting. So what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm giving. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me is the reason why the leave everybody stinging. Ain't no love that I'm getting, so what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm giving. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me is the reason leave your body stinking. Yeah, I go on and on until I feel like stopping. Come around, son, this shit is so wrong. Little niggas come around, pop me. Come on, dog, the hood, nigga, yo, been on the game, on the top of it. Come on, dog, I stay in this young like I'm on the top of the mattress. These niggas, they come around, son, they jacking like rappers. They dip, jumping it. These little niggas too fucking active, son. Yeah, fuck it, y'all. Nigga, keep their women, y'all don't want them. Come on, dog, in the hood, son. Cause ain't no good women around, son. So now I'm just done with them. Yeah, like the game is over with. Come on, dog, like a call to quit. Come on, dog, you can call what you want, son. I call it some bullshit. These little niggas, they come around, they talk to me like I'm one of them little kids. They tell little pistol in the game, show how I get down with it. Yeah, with the angry game. That shit is all in my veins. Come on, dog, the evil, you already know. You release that, son, you did, nigga. Yeah, but that's the Eagles. Come on, dog, from the sky. They see the targets right there, son. Let's make a nigga drop, fall in the sky. Come on, dog, that's fly, yeah, nigga. They did, yeah, they already died. Little niggas that coming around, son, smoking so many shoes, son. They stay high, they come around, I stay flat. Come on, dog, like I'm going shopping every day, but I'm not. I got, yeah, all this shit still stuck in the box. Come around the way, son, that I bought myself this, son. Ain't no fucking chickens or fox that I'm chasing. Come around the way, the chickens, this is what I mean. These sluts, yeah, on their knees and on the kitchen, son. Smell like fleas, now they itching, nigga. You already know the nigga dick young like disease, yeah. The chick stay away from the nigga, please. Why make be deceased? They come around and you see the other side of this beast. Come on, dog, you see the motherfuckers come around to ride with me. Come on, dog, fuck the police, nigga. I say they in the vein. They ain't nothing, they ain't God to me. I don't care about God, nothing neither, young. It ain't no thing. Come on, dog, I'ma still do me. I'm the king, motherfucker. These niggas, they come around the hood, nigga. Watch you suffer. Ain't no love that I'm getting. So what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm giving. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me, it's the least to leave your body stinking. Ain't no love that I'm getting, so what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm giving. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me, it's the reason leave your body stinking. I come around the last verse. Yeah, you talking so fast, son. I can't hear any of your words that you said, LIL Pistol. Yeah, cause living in a different world, son. Let's stay with issues. This nigga wanna see the flame from the hell dungeon and snatch me up. Man, the guy there, fire is still attached to my skin. I feel that every time I wake up, and every time I go outside, get mad, cause I'm in the public. Whole bunch, surround the bar, whole bunch of pussies coming around, son. They can't stand me, they wanna drown me, young. Rookies, come on, dog, wanna be gone, dead. Yeah, like a memory in the game, son. Cause I already told him, son, I ain't never scared. Do what you do. Come on, dog, to put the guns in my head, son. Don't hesitate or be afraid to shoot. Little niggas will come around across the gate, son. And yeah, you better keep it true. Come on, John, shoot the gun, young. You know this how a nigga come through. These little niggas, they call me a nigga with attitude. Well, you can't solve these little niggas come mad fool, cause you already know I'm coming involved. You already know it's nothing. Ain't no love that I'm getting, so what the fuck I'm thinking? Dumb niggas still have love that I'm giving. I'm angry now, so think twice before you stop blinking. No love for me, it's the reason leave your body stinking.